so you'll know upfront how much interest you'll pay and for how long. If you're used to the open-ended flexibility of traditional credit cards, this model might feel a little different. But for people who want to control debt more responsibly, it can actually be a game changer. Now let's talk about the cashback. The Upgrade Visa card offers a simple and unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases when you pay down your balance. That means every time you make a payment toward what you've spent, you earn 1.5% back. Unlike many credit cards that only give rewards for specific categories or have quarterly limits, Upgrade keeps things super simple. There are no rotating categories, no activation required, and no caps on how much cashback you can earn. You just make purchases, pay down your balance, and the cashback is automatically credited to your account. That simplicity makes it ideal for people who don't want to micromanage categories but still want consistent rewards. What also makes this card stand out is that it has no annual fee, no penalty APR, and no application or account opening fee. Plus, there are no fees for going over your credit line. If you're someone who wants to keep credit costs low while still earning rewards, this card is very competitive. Now let's look at eligibility. The Upgrade Visa card is issued through Sutton Bank and is available to people with fair to good credit, typically with scores starting in the mid-600s and up. There's no hard inquiry to see if you're pre-approved, so you can check your eligibility without impacting your credit score. That's a huge plus if you're shopping around for options and want to avoid unnecessary dings on your report. Once you accept an offer, a hard inquiry will be done during the final approval process. Now let's dig deeper into how the payment structure works. Instead of giving you a revolving balance like a typical card, Upgrade groups your monthly purchases into